Hi there, this is my luck, and this is another episode of Loto Lock Tuesday. So this week I have a sort of mint green Master Lock 410 401 keyway. So let's see if we can give this one a pick. Slightly chewed up keyway on this one. I'll have to use the long end. I don't know if you can hear that. One of the neighbours is hammering away at something outside. Let's try that one. That side. Alright, so there we go. We click on one, we click on 5 and a bit of movement. 6. No, looking for that counter rotation. Filling it there. That was 3. 2. 6, not quite ready yet. 4. And there we go. So 6 must be a max lift. I don't think I needed to pick that. Just touch it. There we are. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good one. Cheers.